Yeah, Checkered Marketing. Today we're going to continue showing you how to build projects out of 2x4s. Today we're going to build an end table that matches our coffee table that's already on the website. We'll start out by letting you know that when you use 2x4s, they're 3.5 wide, 1/2 thick. If you use them as you buy them from the lumberyard, if you try to glue them together, there's a seam there because they have rounded corners. So in order to work with 2x4s, you're going to have to square them up. And we use our thickness planer and our joiner and our table saw, and we make rounded squares. So then when you glue them up, you don't see the seam. So the first thing we're going to do on our table today is we're going to take our 2x4s and we're going to rough cut them to the lengths that we need for our end table. Then we'll go over to our thickness planer and we'll them down to where they're 1.25 thick and 3.25 wide. We'll now be planing these boards down to 1.25 thick. Down to 1.25 thick. The next thing we will do is to joint one edge to make it straight. So we'll do that on the joiner. Do all of our boards. Then we'll go to the table saw. After we have jointed one edge straight, then we'll set our table saw up 3.25 plus a 1/16. And after we rip that, we will go back over on the joiner and join it one time to make it exactly 3.25. And that will take the saw mark off the edge that we just cut. Sawed edge one time. Now we're ready to start cutting pieces to length of the different parts. We're also going to glue our 4 legs up, and we'll do that the very next thing. Do is glue our 4 legs together. Each leg is made up of 3 2x4s. So we'll glue 3 together, and 3 and 3 and 3, and we'll clamp them all at the same time. Once the legs are glued, the next thing we're going to do is cut our top. We've got 4 sides. We'll first square an end, cut them to length, and then the other 2 will be end squared and cut to length, but they'll be shorter. The top will be hooked together with a mortise and tenon joint. We'll lay out those joints and cut them now. We now have laid out these mortises on the ends of the 2 sides, and then the 2 ends will fit in there with tenon joints. So we'll cut these mortises now.